This Kitchenaid 400 CFM range hood is not a regular range hood. There is a lot of work need to be done in the cabinet in order to fit this. So I decided to make a video. For installing this, I drilled a hole in the wall and installed a new exhaust vent. Before starting any work, kill the breaker and start unplugging the old one. Make sure the power supply is off and disconnect the wires. There are few screws to remove and the old range hood will come out easily. The KitchenAid range hood needed at least 16 inches space, so I removed the cabinet and did some modification. Also a power outlet need to be added to these bare wires. Thankfully the cable was long enough. These brackets that come with the new range hood are attached with 3 screws and the position can be adjusted according to the thickness of the cabinet. Inside width of the cabinet should be at a maximum of 28.5 and my measurement shows my cabinet is 29, so I'm adding some shims. This is the bottom of the cabinet. I'm adding 1/8 of an inch to both sides. Also I drilled a hole on the top for the exhaust vent. The rest of the work is much easier. Once things work out, you can fix the screws in and make it permanent. Here's a noise test. Controls will catch a lot of fingerprints, but it's easy to clean. And the boost mode is excellent. You won't smell anything.